Welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about parents deliberately reporting their daughters missing in Jamaica. Parents are deliberately reporting their girls missing in a desperate effort to preserve their dignity from self-styled dons wreaking havoc in some of the toughest inner city communities in the country. The revelation was made by Acting Senior Deputy Director of Public Prosecutions Sharon Millwood Moore, who was addressing a forum themed Violence Against Women and Girls, Preventing Policing and Prosecuting last week at the British High Commission in St. Andrew. Many stories are told by those I refer to as some of the strongest women in the inner city, who will tell you that when they see their young girls approaching a certain age of puberty, before the gang leaders send for them, they ensure that they find a way to get them out of the community. Because what literally happened is that the gangsters send the message that I am ready for her now, Moore said. So this child's dignity, her human right to determine later on who she has her first sexual association with, is going to be taken away from her because the leaders in the inner community say it's time, she added. What many of those women do when they ship them out, if they're lucky to save their own lives, they officially make a report that their child is missing, because if the gang leaders ever found out that it was deliberate, what they are going to do to avoid or deny them the access to what they think they are entitled to. It's another set of problems that emerges, the senior prosecutor further detailed. Data on the total number of children reported missing for 2018 has not been released, but last year there were 1,674 cases of missing children reported. Millwood Moore was supported by former Acting Commissioner of Police Novelet Grant, who pointed out that girls are sometimes taken by gangsters because of domestic issues in their homes. There are also young girls who are drawn into the gang lifestyle because they come from abusive backgrounds. They run away, they're on the street, and unfortunately it's these predators who become their refuge, so to speak, and they themselves become victimized by the gang members, Grant said. The former top cop further explained that some, after being trapped by the gangster lifestyle, also become perpetrators or supporters of some of the most heinous crimes in their communities, sometimes against other women. Some of the intelligence that we picked up wouldn't be admissible in court because of the way the laws are, but when you start to talk to people on the ground, you will hear that this gangster woman was dismissed by another woman and she demands that violence be met out to the person who disrespected. Grant added also she sought to show the connection between girls and gangs. So basically she's trying to say that gang members at an early age in Jamaica will come to a parent and say that it's time, I need your daughter needs to come to me, and they will force that child to have a sexual relationship, break their virginity with that particular gang members, because they feel like they're entitled to these kids because they're in a certain neighborhood or a certain community. We're always seeing these young girls go missing and wonder why there are so many young girls that are being reported missing in these inner city communities, and these are one of the reasons why they're reported missing, just to preserve their lives and their parents' lives. And a lot of the times these women then become gangsters' mistress or gangsters' woman, and they also allow horrendous things to happen to other women in the community and other girls in the community. So it's just a cycle that perpetrates violence all over again, and we as women, we're very emotional being, compassionate beings, and I'm seeing that more and more that with women, especially Jamaican women, is going away. Like, they will set up other women to be killed, raped, murdered, and have no remorse about it. So comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Would you be one of those parents that actually report your child missing and send them away to God country to preserve their virginity and their life and preserve who they are as children? Or would you be one of those moms that actually just give the children to the dons because they feel like if they give the children or give the girls to the dons, it's going to help them and the dons are going to give them money and boost their lifestyle and help their family? What parent would you be? And be honest, because enough of on social media like act like say on a whole year than thou, but one of they sell out on the kids under Sykes and don't even know it. But anyways, like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.